All right, we got a Honda Accord here. This is a 2003. If you have a 2003 Honda Accord, or if you have 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, and your lights are not LEDs, okay? I believe 5, 6, and 7 does have LEDs, but before that, if you have similar product here, and your brake light does not work. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna check the brake lights, okay? All right, you know what? First, let's put on the headlights. So check all your lights before replacing anything. So all I did was turn on the headlights. We got a working light there, and there, and there. And also the plate light was working. But this car does have a problem. I'm gonna take the stick. This is what I use. So you need something similar to that. Let's turn off our headlight. Let's take our stick, and what I do is I stick it right there. Just like somebody would be pressing brakes. All right. So we got a working light, and no light. So to change this light bulb and this light bulb, it is a similar procedure, okay? All right, so that was one of my customers on the phone, Julie. She's gonna bring in a Mazda, and we're gonna be working on a Mazda. Anyway, the light is out. I'm gonna show you a bulb size that you need, but let's take this off, okay? And we're gonna change it. Let's pop the trunk open. I don't know how much junk is gonna be in there. This is also one of my friend's car. Oh, this guy has nothing in there. Anyways, very similar, okay? I mean, very simple and similar procedure. If you do not, this guy put this spoiler here. If you do not have a spoiler and your bulb is out here, so all you go is right down here, you twist this and you put a new bulb there. But he has a third light as a spoiler, but we're doing this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. You pop this guy open just like that, and right here we have this little bulb. You turn that counterclockwise, and after that you pull out this bulb. This bulb, all right, this connector has 3 wires. That means this is a dual bulb, okay? This has 2 films inside. So the number here is 7443. Hard to see, but I'm gonna go get 7443 bulb. Got my bulb. Whoop, we're back to the car. So I touched this bulb. 2 things you can see, you can do, I'm sorry. 2 things you can do. Either wear gloves, like somebody left me a comment, or don't touch this bulb somehow, some way. I don't know how you're gonna do it without not touching it. Wear gloves, or you could take your shirt and clean it off. All right, but after, you no longer need to touch it because you can hold it from here. All right, so you take this bulb, doesn't matter which direction, you can put it in any direction. All right, you do that. This connector is a little bit cracked up, but that's all right. These usually crack up, but no problem. Take your shirt, I'm gonna clean it up, wipe it off with the shirt. You take this guy, stick it back, and you turn it clockwise. First, I need to find the proper place where it's supposed to sit at. Not getting that good angle. Came out easy, but there you go. Should click in just like that, and it should be nice and tight. All right, after that you take your cover, you put that cover in there just like that. You see that little guy right there? It sticks in there, and you push on it. There you go. Bulb should be working. Dispose the old one. I like to keep it here, you never know. All right, never know when I'm gonna have to use look into an old battle bulb. All right, so I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this back, put this, the pedal just got tighter. Use that, and we have a working bulb. See ya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.